Hi folks, Javier speaking. Are you tired of the current wall switches? With Swaaz, you will get a smart switch with great design, proximity sensor, and LED indicator in darkness. Tired of complex installations and ugly hubs lying around of the current smart homes? With Swaaz, you just need to download the app for a direct communication between smartphone and lights. Tired of not controlling your expensive electric bills? With Swaaz, you will monitor your consumption in real time, besides dimming your lights. Darling, did you remember to switch off the lights today? With Swaaz, you will have optional automatic switch off when nobody in range.